Hello mga ka-organic! White Bloom Face Cream ang sasagutin natin today. And this is the first question. Yes, lahat tayo ay safe gamitin ang White Bloom Face Cream dahil nag-comply ito sa regulations ng FDA. Second question. Since we use collagen as a key ingredient in this product, then it will help improve our skin elasticity and also support our skin's firmness and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Kaya nga, di ba, less ang wrinkles ko because I use this product. And syempre, the cream also promotes a fairer, youthful complexion. Third question. We used 5 whitening ingredients in this face cream, which are glutathione, niacinamide, kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, and papaya extract. All together, when combined, mas may enhance yung whitening effects ng product. And mas mapapabilis nga naman na paputiin tayo kasi it's just not one ingredient, but we use 5 ingredients. Plus kanina na-discuss ko, it also has the key ingredient which is the collagen. Last question. Yes, meron din SPF itong Organic Nature's White Bloom Face Cream. SPF 30 din ang gamit dito para nga naman protected tayo from the sun's UV rays. At ako, personally, I use this product to keep me protected from the sun every day. Kaya na-maintain ko ang pagiging maputi ko. May follow-up question regarding sa White Bloom Face Cream of Organic Nature. Ang tanong ay, pwede daw ba ito gamitin din ng lalaki? Ang sagot ay yes, lalo na kung yung lalaki ay important sa kanya ma-maintain ang pagiging flawless ng mukha at moisturize ng mukha. So, pwede niya gamitin ito kasi may SPF 30 din to para pag lumabas siya sa sun ay protected siya against the sun's UV rays.